This is an audio recording for the science packet for the week of April 20th. This recording is for assignment number 3, titled Earth Day. This will be a reading of the passage. Directions. Read each passage using close reading strategies and complete the corresponding questions. Just to let you know, the close reading strategies are posted right below the directions. It reads, you cannot get through a single day without having an impact on the world around you. What you do makes a difference, and you have to decide what kind of difference you want to make. Jane Goodall. Have you ever felt so strongly about a situation or problem around your school, community, or in your own household that you made it your mission to find a way to make a positive change? That is exactly how Senator Gaylord Nelson, a United States Senator from Wisconsin, came up with the concept from Earth Day in 1970. He witnessed some major distress with how the environment was being treated, then worked to enlist supporters of his ambitious plan to make positive changes for the Earth. Senator Nelson began his passionate work after observing the oil spill in Santa Barbara, California in 1969. On January 28, 1969, a blowout occurred in the Pacific Ocean due to the drilling induced cracks, which caused over 100,000 barrels of oil to spill 6 miles of the California coastline. Images shown on national television from news outlets were those of oil-soaked birds that were unable to fly and dying on the beaches. Waves so thick with oil that when breaking on the shoreline, no noise could be heard, and the black muck that coated about 30 miles of California seahorses. These images were horrifying to Senator Nelson. In addition to his frustration of the oil spill, Nelson was noticing how haphazardly the environment was being treated by polluting factories, toxic dumps, farmers using pesticides, and inefficient cars and trucks that were contributing increasing amounts of air pollution. He knew something had to be done. With the help of people everywhere, including university students and environmentalists that were especially passionate about the treatment of the planet, on April 22, 1970, 20 million Americans took to the streets, parks, and auditoriums to demonstrate for a healthy, sustainable environment in massive nationwide gatherings. Thousands of colleges and universities organized protests against the deterioration of the environment, and the Earth Day made its mark on the calendar. This became the start of why we celebrate Earth Day every April 22nd, a yearly celebration for everyone to have more care and concern for the planet on which we live. Senator Nelson identified a problem and decided to work to make the change he wanted to see take place. What change will you make?